All right, Wesley with Expandacraft here again, and we just took down this Hobie, a PA-14 with the Expandacraft Outrigger kit. It was 6 feet wide, had 2 deckings and a motor. How long do you think it took us to bring it down?
Oh, way faster. Only a couple minutes.
Couple minutes. So
Not even 5 minutes.
better to launch and retrieve on the beach than on the trailer.
Yeah, I was laying down.
All right, so if you launch it and try to extend or contract the outrigger while on the trailer, you've got all these forces that are you got to deal with. But if you have, I mean, probably not in a big surf area, but something like we're dealing with here, it's actually better to take the boat apart, put the boat together from trailer width to the 6 foot wide width in the water. Expandacraft.com